mom's house, and then after that we're going to Las Vegas.
We got like 7 or 8 people are going to Vegas this week for Sema, which is the first time we've ever done it like that. Usually we take everybody to Sema. Just gotten too fucking busy to do that. Be working Sema and grinding here, and we'll see how that goes.
We're trying to fucking leave Patty, and Kevin says, "I want a commercial for a light bar on a Cybertruck." Then he disappears. He wants commercial. He doesn't direct shit, and just leaves us to our own devices to try to figure something out. So, anyways, here we go.
Starting now, if you get a full color shade PDF, you get a free RGB light bar.
Patty, what the fuck are we doing? We should already be in the car going to the airport.
Yeah, D. What happened with security? I lost my wallet. I ain't got an ID card. That's what I gave her. She said that shit ain't gonna work. I was like, what you wiping it with that thing for? She's like, make sure it ain't got nothing.
Our flight crew, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Las Vegas.
We have baggage claim. Las Vegas Airport. I'm about to black out because I saw the fucking loser who's suing us. Alright, so his name's Bob. He's in Colorado Springs. He owns a window tint.
Certified weakest motherfucker alive.
He's the weakest of all weak. He's fucking loser. Big fucking loser. He's so weak. Real big fucking loser. I don't know how many times I can say that. RBF. Real big fucking loser. He's weak, dog. He's fucking weak. He's here. He's hiding behind this pillar. Hey, Patty, there's your fucking bag, matter of fact. Until it goes around the corner, and then you can film that stupid ball of fuck. Anyways, but yeah, we had a baggage claim here for Sema 2024. I think our chauffeur is over there somewhere. Oh yeah, he probably right over there. Kenneth! First name basis, you know what I mean? So we're here, Sema 2024. We're in the Hexis booth. Autofilm is helping out with the booth. A bunch of certified installers and trainers helping educate consumers about Hexis and PPF, vinyl, all the new films that they came out with for Sema. Right now, this is kind of like our vinyl section. We've got this 458 over here. Zach and Matt are going to be demoing on this 458. They're going to be wrapping it in all of these new colors that we've got here. So the new Sema release colors are there. They're going to probably do, you know, half and half wraps, full color wraps, just to kind of showcase the colors. But we've also got some new colors that we have. One of the big things that they released is 60-inch full width chrome, but it's 60-inch width, which no one else has for chrome. On this side, this is our window tint section. Tyler Holstrom, he'll be over here, and he'll be demoing all of the window film options that Hexis has, the Pro B4 shield, the new BF shield, and doing some battles on the Civic hatchback rear window here. Then on this side, the Huracan, which we're going to be doing PPF demos on. So Kyle and Darius will be using new Hexis software Matte Mac, just showing Hexis Body Fence X, the gloss, the satin, the matte, the black PPF, and then also the new black matte PPF. Here's the displays and just kind of stock for all the PPF that we're going to be using. We've got the black matte PPF, and then we do have the full carbon PPF as well. And on this Model Y, we are doing competitions here daily. We've got the vinyl competition, PPF competition, cash prizes. They've got certain criteria to meet, and yeah, we'll be managing those throughout the day. And then last are these battle boards here. So we'll be running competitions on both of these battle boards. A pretty complex belly down here. You got to wrap it in a certain amount of time. You can't blow out the grid. Generally, we just time it. They go against each other. So it's really, really fun to do. But yeah, that's the Hexis booth for Sema. what you think about the 60,000?
It's the shit. The film is super nice actually. It doesn't cold stretch a lot, but when it's heated, it stretches super nice. It's low initial tack, so it doesn't bite super hard. The air rest works super well, and the finish is gangster, and it doesn't get adhesive lights. So, and we're overstretching it on purpose, and it just holds. It's top tier, 100%.
On the Ferrari, they pretty much bridged a ton of shit and tried to get adhesive lines, and they couldn't get any.
So we stretched this whole quarter right here, which requires a lot of stretch back and over, and then we were like, well, let's see what happens. So we bridged it, heated it all up, and shoved it in, and there's literally no adhesive lines, and that doesn't make sense.
It's PU, so it's gonna act like PPF. Self-heal probably way better than normal PVC.
The self-healing is actually really good. We were marring it for fun, and it self-heals significantly better than standard vinyl.
Over. We did tons of demos. We ran a competition. Zach and Matt worked with a new product. Kyle and Dee were doing demos on the Huracan. They were working on a 458. Ty shrinking back windows and showing off a new windshield film. My fucking feet hurt. Oh yeah, I was standing and walking. He was just sitting.
Literally wrapping an entire car in one day. Kevin wouldn't know anything about it.
Okay, he only did the passenger side. If that's wrapping a whole car, I guess so. I think we're gonna grab our shit. Let's go to fucking Tacos of Gordo.
What'd you order? 3 tacos, which are already gone. One of these is a quesadilla, and one of these is a vampiro. I'm not quite too sure. I'm going to town. Bob Gobble, baby.
What's going on? My name is Darius Jackson. This is SEMA 2024 Day 2 in the Hexis booth again. We got Mike over here. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. He ain't really working. Marcelo over there. He ain't really working. Kyle, it kind of looks like he's working. Matt and Zach are over there, definitely not working. Ty, I don't even know where he is, probably not working. Looks like I'm the only one doing anything. We're just gonna do the same thing, day 2, so we'll do more demos, we'll wrap that Ferrari again, we'll wrap the Lambo again, we'll run competitions over here, and we'll showcase Hexis to the world. That's it. What you got?
What do I got going on today? I'm working with Kevin today, so that means I'm working all day.
The fuck?
And Kevin, superstar of SEMA, is just gonna end up talking to everybody who wants to talk to him. So I gotta pick up the slack.
That's it. All right. I'm Darius, and oh shit, what's up, Darius? Today was a good day, man. We went over on this Huracan over here, did some of the BF Shield demos. So as you can see, half of it we've installed it, half of it we have not installed it completely. We've just been picking it up and respraying underneath this, and we keep it wet, you know? That way people know that there's a film on it. It's so clear that you can't even tell that it's on the other side. I tinted the door on the side over there in front of a whole bunch of people, and some light. I lollygagged and had a cheeseburger. So we got deep purple wet. Pretty much the Ruby Star from Porsche is right here. These are 2 new colors from Hexis. Fully covered, wrapped in one day. Yeah, we got to figure out what we're doing tonight. Maybe go lose some money, maybe go to a party.
I'm out of money, bro. I'm down bad. Although when you get paid tonight, spot me on the Diz. Spot me on the Diz, dude.
Maybe go eat. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So then we will see you for day 3. Not much will be different. We're just gonna change the color on the Ferrari, do some more wrap comps, PPF competitions, infiltrate some booths here. That's it. Day 3 here at Sema. This is my 3rd time wrapping this car in 3 days. I'm about sick of it. I get to do it one more time tomorrow. We went with like the Golf style livery with the light red gloss and blue lilac gloss from Hexis. People love it. People love us. End of day 3. We're gonna go to an AFS dinner tonight. We're gonna stay away from steaks in Vegas. Notoriously fucking weak. Yep, that's about it.
Tomorrow at 7, yeah. Thank you to be here.
Thank you. That's the owner of Hexis. He's my boy. Day 4, last day. Gets a little crazy on the last day because the general public is actually allowed in. Everybody around here that you see with a purple pass, weak. But we got Matt doing the new satin red chrome from Hexis on the 458. We got Tai over there, not doing shit, as always. One hand in his pocket, one hand with a heat gun. Yep, that's him. We're actually gonna be, AFS is gonna be leaving a little bit early today. We got the winter storm in Colorado. We have to leave way earlier. We're gonna get out of here probably about 11:30. Change flights, get home. But yeah, this is it. We're gonna run a couple competitions. Kyle and Darius are going to finish up some stuff on the Huracan. Yeah, last day's pretty chill and hectic. You just got a lot more people because of the general public, but as far as like buyers and exhibitors, it's very, very chill. It's the end of day 4. As you can see, fucking beat. It's time to go home. Next time we're here, hopefully I don't have to see this guy.
Next time I hope like we don't have this bunch of Chinese here, so more like US.
There'll be way
like
more Chinese
Trump
people.
Over now, so.
No. Saw some old friends, met some new friends. We'll resume slaving away on Monday, and I just want to go home. See my wife, see my dogs, see my house, see my bed. You don't own a bed. No, you don't. You don't own a bed. You either sleep on the floor or you lease a bed. You don't own a bed. Nah, bro. You own that Affirm. No, I meant you on a firm bed.
I do like a firm bed.
Nah, he's on Affirm. For some reason, Kyle and Darius are still fucking working.
I clocked out 40 minutes ago.
This place is crawling with purple passes. Zach's been talking to that dude for I don't know how long, but I'm almost positive he's a purple pass. I can't even see from here. It's a purple pass. Overall, a good trip. Time for AFS to get back to Colorado. You should see the work that comes out of Marcelo's shop. Yeah.
Bullshit.
The work is bullshit, yes. I think he does a car a month or something.